Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Anka and I do illustration related videos and I review art supplies. So if you're interested, subscribe. I put videos out weekly. So for today's video, I'm doing a first impressions on this Pearlescent colors from Finetec. I bought this palette from an Etsy shop. I will link it down in the description box. Came very quick in my post and I'm very happy with their service. So this palette contains 12 colors, 12 beautiful colors, and it retails for 32.95 euros. Plus I had to pay shipping because the Etsy store is in Barcelona, so that was around 47 euros in total. So you get 12 colors and each color kind of retails for 2.7 euros. I would say it's up there in price, but I will say it's totally worth it if you're trying to invest in something long term, because the pen size is quite big and you can also remove the pens once they're empty and just buy singles. So Finetec is a company in Germany. I'm not quite sure what the deal is because some are called Coliro, some are called Finetec. I did some research on the brand and they had some issues with their distributors and stuff like that. I won't get into too much details about that, but they are handmade, they are free of animal products, and they have this really nice surface, a wavy surface, which is really nice to look at. So as you will see, I did some swatches so you can see each color, how it performs on black and white paper. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with almost all of the colors. I will say my favorite ones are Caribbean green, sapphire blue, crystal gold, orange copper, and rose gold. I think those are my tops regarding the color palette. So as most metallic watercolors, they perform much better on black paper, but they work pretty nice on white paper. Actually, they're very opaque, and one thing that I did notice is the more water you add to them, the more pigmented the swatch will be, or your painting will be. And they actually suggest on the site that you add a few drops of water before. So yeah, I think the more water the better. They have a very fast drying time also, so you don't have to spend too much time waiting for them to dry, and they are extremely pigmented. The one thing that is a disadvantage is the fact that they don't layer up very well. As you will see, I did a floral illustration using them and I kind of messed it up at one point, and I kept adding layers and layers of color and I kind of messed it up, but I managed to save it with some white ink details. Also on Finetec's site, they say that they have these pearlescent colors, but they also have shimmer colors, which the shimmer colors are not as opaque. They work beautifully on dark backgrounds, but they won't appear as much on white paper. So I think if you're looking for something more saturated, then you should probably get the pearlescent colors. So overall, my experience with this palette, trying it out for the first time, is a very positive one. I even think that they are actually better than the Kuretake gem colors. The gem colors, I've said this before, the gold is really pigmented, but the other colors kind of fade into the background. But here, almost every color is very pigmented and vibe, which is what I was looking for in a metallic watercolor. So maybe I'll do a side-by-side comparison, even though the colors are a bit different and this one contains more. But I'm curious to see how they perform next to each other. And also they have quite a wide variety of palettes, so they have blue toned ones or just a gold palette, or they have themed palettes. So you should go on their website and check it out, or just search for distributors near where you live, because I think they distribute worldwide. If you're in Germany, that's even better. So overall, I'm very happy with this purchase. I highly recommend it. I've seen this floating around on Instagram and on YouTube. I've seen people use it a lot, and the overall palette feels nice, like a very nice quality. It's very sturdy. The colors perform really well, and if you're looking for something for calligraphy or just to add small metallic details to your art, or just something a bit different from what you usually use, then I highly recommend it. Even though it's a bit pricey, I would say that it's totally worth it. So yeah, these are my thoughts on the palette. Let me know if you've tried anything from them, if you've tried this palette, What are your thoughts on it? And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!